Would you rather own a truck that lasts 300,000 miles or one that's in the shop every other month? Today, we're diving into the battlefield of automotive legends and disasters, the most loved and most hated trucks to ever hit American roads. These aren't just opinions. These rankings come from hard data, repair costs, and the brutal experiences of owners who paid the price. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which models to hunt down and which to avoid like your life depends on it. The difference could save you thousands or cost you everything. Most hated trucks. Let's start with the trucks that make owners want to set their vehicles on fire for the insurance money. Number 4, Toyota Tundra, 2022 to 2024. Toyota, the brand synonymous with bulletproof reliability, somehow managed to drop the ball with their recent Tundra. The 2022 redesign went sideways fast. What happened? Their twin-turbo V6 engine started having lifter failures so severe they triggered a major recall across 2022 and 2023 models. Owners who paid premium prices for Toyota reliability instead got glitchy infotainment systems and engines needing premature repairs. Consumer Reports slapped the Tundra with a dismal 2 out of 5 for predicted reliability, dead last among full-size trucks. That's like Michael Jordan suddenly forgetting how to play basketball. Even more painful is the fuel economy. You're looking at 14 to 17 miles per gallon, which in today's market feels like financial punishment. And for a truck this size, the towing capacity maxes out between 8,300 and 10,200 pounds. Numbers that don't justify the pain. One owner summed it up perfectly. "I expected Toyota quality, but my 2022 Tundra's engine and tech issues are a complete letdown." It's the first major reliability stumble for the Tundra in decades. Number 3, Dodge Ram 1500, 1994 to 2001 and 2006. The second-generation Rams had styling that turned heads, but that's where the good news ends. These trucks were disasters waiting to happen. The 1994 to 2001 models suffered from oil sludge buildup in the 4.7-liter Magnum V8 engines. This wasn't minor, it was catastrophic, leading to complete engine failures. Add transmission problems and bodies that rusted aggressively, and you've got a truck begging to be scrapped. The 2006 model wasn't much better, with drivetrain and transmission component failures that hit owners' wallets hard. Consumer Reports gave the heavy-duty 2006 Ram models a pathetic 55 out of 100 for reliability. With over 16 recalls for the 1994 to 2001 models alone, including cracked dashboards and electrical failures, these Rams became the poster children for automotive disappointment. As one frustrated owner put it, "My 2000 Ram rusted out and had endless engine issues." Bold styling doesn't mean much when your truck is constantly on a tow truck headed to the repair shop. If you're looking at a used truck and see one of these Rams, keep walking. Your bank account will thank you. Number 2, Ford F-150, 2004 to 2006 and 2011. America's best-selling truck isn't immune to disastrous years. The 2004 to 2006 F-150s, equipped with the Triton 5.4-liter V8, became infamous for their problems. The spark plug issues alone were enough to make you cry. These plugs had a nasty habit of either seizing in the cylinder head, even worse, shooting out like missiles, taking threads with them. Repairs often cost thousands, sometimes requiring new cylinder heads. The 2011 models brought different nightmares, including the terrifying death wobble suspension issue that made the truck shake violently at highway speeds. Some owners also reported unintended acceleration, not exactly what you want in a 5,000-pound vehicle. Ford issued recalls for over 600,000 vehicles for seatback issues and another million for fire hazards from pretension belts. Over a 10-year period, you're looking at maintenance costs around $10,511 according to CarEdge. The Triton engine in my 2004 F-150 was a nightmare. Constant breakdowns, reported one owner, who probably now drives a different brand. These issues were so severe they sparked class action lawsuits. When your truck problems end up in court, you know something went terribly wrong. Would you like to see content like this every week? Hit subscribe now and you'll never miss our newest automotive deep dives and money-saving advice. Number 1, Chevrolet Silverado, 2004 to 2005, 2007, and 2015. The crown for most hated truck goes to specific Silverado years that made owners regret their purchases from day one. The 2004 to 2005 models scored an abysmal 40 out of 100 for reliability from Consumer Reports. These trucks became famous for rusted brake lines, a serious safety hazard, engine faults, transmission failures, and dashboards that cracked like they were designed to break. The 2007 models added excessive oil consumption to the mix. We're talking quarts between oil changes, while 2015 brought transmission failures, engine stalls, and electrical gremlins that drove mechanics crazy. According to CarEdge, owning one of these Silverados costs about $10,618 in maintenance over 10 years. That's money that could have been spent on almost anything else. My 2005 Silverado was a money pit, always in the shop, one former owner recalled, probably while enjoying the reliability of a different truck. Multiple recalls for brake lines and electronics couldn't fix the Silverado's tarnished reputation from these problem years. If you spot a 2004, 2005, 2007, or 2015 Silverado on the used market, run, don't walk away. Most love trucks. Now let's shift gears to trucks that make owners proud, the models that deliver on their promises year after year. Number 4, Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD, 2022 to 2024. Chevy may have struck out with those earlier Silverados, but they hit a home run with the recent 3500 HD models. These heavy-duty beasts excel at the things that matter most: towing, reliability, and surprisingly good comfort. For work or cross-country driving, they're hard to beat. The 2022 to 2024 models earned strong reliability ratings from Consumer Reports, and J.D. Power gave them a perfect 5 out of 5 for quality, comfort, and electronics. The 2024 model offers a massive 89.1 cubic feet of cargo space and the innovative multi-flex tailgate with 6 different functions. Engine options include a 6.6-liter V8 or a turbo diesel V8 paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Owners consistently praise these trucks with comments like, "Hauls anything and stays comfortable on long drives." When you're pulling up to 36,000 pounds with the diesel version, comfort matters. With a 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty and 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain coverage, Chevy stands behind these trucks. Just steer clear of those problematic years we mentioned earlier. Number 3, Ram 1500, 2019 to 2024. The 2019 redesign of the Ram 1500 changed everything. This truck somehow manages to combine luxury car comfort with serious work capabilities. Consumer Reports gives high reliability marks to the 2019 to 2024 models, while J.D. Power's initial quality report ranks it among the best in class. Owners report below-average repair frequency and costs, music to any truck owner's ears. The 2019 and newer models feature high-quality cabins, clever storage solutions, and the mild hybrid e-torque system that improves both performance and efficiency. The 2024 offers either a V8 Hemi or 3.6-liter V6 e-torque, with towing capacity up to an impressive 12,750 pounds. It feels like a luxury SUV with a truck bed, is a common sentiment among owners, who also praise the flat-loading floor that makes cargo handling easier. With warranty coverage matching the Silverado, 3-year or 36,000-mile limited, 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain, Ram backs up their quality claims. It's no wonder Motor Trend named it Truck of the Year for both 2019 and 2020. Just remember, stick to 2019 and newer. Earlier models had issues like the infamous Hemi tick and those cracked dashboards we'd all rather forget. Number 2, Ford F-150, 2011 to 2024. Especially 2011 EcoBoost and 2021 to 2024. There's a reason the F-150 has been America's best-selling vehicle for over 45 years. When Ford gets it right, they get it very right. The 2011 introduction of the EcoBoost V6 was revolutionary. This 3.5-liter twin-turbo delivered 365 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, numbers that rivaled V8s while delivering better fuel economy. The 2021 to 2024 models take this innovation further with above-average reliability ratings from Consumer Reports and high marks from J.D. Power for quality and dependability. Kelley Blue Book named these year's top trucks for innovation and value. The 2024 electric F-150 Lightning can tow up to 10,000 pounds, impressive for an EV. The Super Crew models that debuted in 2001 also revolutionized the concept of family-friendly trucks. Owners love these trucks for everything from work to family use to heavy towing. With the same warranty coverage as its competitors, 3-year or 36,000-mile limited, 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain, Ford puts its money where its mouth is. Motor Trend awarded the F-150 Truck of the Year in 2021 for its hybrid technology and advanced features. Just remember to avoid those 2004 to 2006 and 2011 problem years we discussed earlier. Number 1, Toyota Tacoma, 2016 to 2023. The undisputed champion of truck reliability is the third-generation Toyota Tacoma. This mid-size truck dominates its segment with exceptional dependability, impressive off-road capability, especially the TRD Pro models, and legendary longevity. RepairPal gives it a solid 3.5 out of 5 for reliability, consistently ranking it in the top third of mid-size trucks. J.D. Power's 2022 dependability study shows high scores for minimal issues in these models. What really sets the Tacoma apart is how many of them surpass 250,000 miles, some even reaching 300,000 or more with proper maintenance. The 2016 to 2023 models offer multiple trims for either daily driving or serious off-roading, with either 2.7-liter four-cylinder or 3.5-liter V6 engines. Fuel economy ranges from 20 to 23 miles per gallon combined for 2022 models, decent for a truck this capable. Toyota backs them with a 3-year or 36,000-mile basic and 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. My Tacoma handles everything. Mud, snow, long hauls without issues is a common refrain from satisfied owners. The truck's resale value is also exceptional, winning Kelley Blue Book's Best Resale Value Award multiple years. One note of caution: pre-2015 models had frame rust issues, though they remain popular despite this flaw. For the most trouble-free ownership, stick with 2016 or newer. There you have it, the trucks that earned their legendary status and the ones that became cautionary tales. But what if you're on a budget and still want reliability? Check out my video, 20 Cheap Used Trucks That Are Actually Reliable, where I break down affordable options that won't leave you stranded or broke. These hidden gems deliver Toyota-level dependability at half the price, and one of them might be the perfect match for your needs and budget. Your next reliable truck is waiting, and it might cost less than you think.